So, welcome you all in this channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can use 5-step process to fix hang problem, lag problem, battery drain issues, and many other bugs and glitches. S- To fix all these things, you need to just watch this video entire. So let's get started. So in today's video I'm going to show about Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let's get started. So you need to click on additional setting, then you need to drag down. There will be option called privacy in blue. You need to click on that. Then you need to go to bottom. There will be option called user experience program. It will be like that. So you need to click on turn off. Okay, turn off send diagnostic data automatically. Turn this off also, and the ad services should also go off. So this is was first step. Second step is that you need to go to battery and performance. Okay, so it will take time to load because of hang problem and many other reason. So you need to click on battery usage states. As you can see, the power consumption graph will be shown to you. As you can see, the graph is like that. What is this behavior? What is this behavior? Why it was showing like that? Okay, so you can see that Android system we using 38.06% and CPU total 15 minute and 25 seconds because I've charged this phone recently, around 20 minutes ago. So this is showing like that. To how to fix it, just you need to go to click back, then click on this icon, and then you need to click on battery saver, then turn it on. If you are not using this, I recommend you to use this battery saver because it will help you a lot. Okay, the another main thing that plays effective role in saving battery is that you should click on app battery saver. Okay, so there will be a list of apps shown to you. Okay, so because I'm using this screen recorder to record, so I cannot select that. In the active apps, it will be shown to you that what apps are you using right now. So if these apps are very important, then you need to unselect like that, what I have done here. So after selecting that, you need to click on restrict background apps. Okay, and click on OK. So it will help to boost some power efficiency and less lag. Okay, sorry for the background noise. Because of the lockdown, there are many people around us and you can't do anything about that. They're not locked down, but most people are at the home, so you can understand. So another thing, that is lock screen. So you need to go to sleep. Sorry, you need to click on sleep, then you need to click on 13 seconds because 30 seconds is best. Because if you are not using your phone, the phone will automatically turn off the screen so that you can save maximum amount of battery. Okay, another third tip is that you need to click on sound and vibration, then you need to scroll down, and you can see here that this option is disabled because uh, I felt that after disabling this, my battery is quite good now. Okay, so this on this option you need to click on off because it is it consumes much battery that than you expect. Okay, click on additional setting and disable all these things because these things are useless and what can I say, very bad things. Okay, so these were three tips, and the fourth one is, you all know about that. Click on GPS and click turn off GPS, and after turning off, make sure it is set on battery saving, then turn it off. And the fifth thing that you need to disable is all these two options. Sorry for the English, because I'm making this video in English because many of the viewers want this video from, they are from another countries, and they complain about English subtitles, but I can't provide subtitles because I don't have too much time to add these things. So I hope you understand. Okay, so these are the four tips, and the fifth tip and the pro tip is you need to click on SIM card and mobile network. And as you can see, in India we mostly use Geo 4G and any other 4G sim. So in the preferred network type, you need to click on 2G only. If you don't use your SIM card, then you need to click on 2G only, because it will save much battery than you expect. So these were 5 tips and tricks to solve battery drain problem in MIUI 11 or 12 in Redmi Note 8 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video. If you want another video on any other device, then make sure you comment it. I'm sorry for the bad English because I'm still learning English. Thank you.